G'day guys, Adam from Working Class Van. We've got a new van fit out here that we've been doing for the CCTV pipe inspection, and I'm pretty excited. We're going to have Russ come down from SECA and have a look and check it out.
Hey Adam, how are you, mates?
Good mate, yourself?
Good, very good, thank you.
How's things?
Mates, looking forward to seeing the van.
Come have a look.
Let's go.
Check her out, mate. Have a look at this.
Looks great.
Mate, so a lot happening in this space, right? So this is for your operator, of course. We've gone all bells and whistles, mate. Aircon is insulated. We've got heavy duty flooring, stone bench tops, huge power system.
Looks good, mate. Looks really good. You've got a fridge in the air? Or?
Oh yeah, yes, we did put a fridge in, mate. We decided to make it all the bells and whistles. If we're going to do it, let's do it properly, right?
Love it. Looks great. Love the lighting as well. That's awesome.
Yep, nice lights, nice natural light. And we can turn those off as well. So we've got a nice bench underglow light. If there's a bit of light fatigue and too much, we can turn all that off and they can just run blue lights, red lights, whatever they want under the bench, mate. Like a submarine. Mate, jump in, have a look, see what you reckon.
Cool, we've got our controller here so we can operate the crawler and our screens so we can see what we're doing with our wing cam. That's awesome, mate. Great work.
Jump out, Russ, I'll show you a bit more about it. On the roof, we've got plenty of solar up there. You got your roof mount aircon, you got your scene lighting, and then of course we've got our hazard lighting or emergency lighting, whatever you like to call it. Come around, I'll show you a bit more. So in the back of the van, of course, you got your cable reel up nice and high there, out of the way. And then we've got our crawler unit down the bottom, both on slides so you can get easy access, maximise the space of the van. It all packs away when you're finished at the end of the day. So nice workbench there. So when you need to change your wheels or change anything on there or connect your cable, bring your crawler unit down here. All your tools are there, your spare wheels are there, everything's easy to access and away you go. Made out of HDPE. So you can wash it off when you're done.
I think the boys will love that.
You reckon?
Yeah, 100%.
So we wanted to make some changes maybe for the industry. So I just looked at it and went, hey, you know what this needs to do? It needs to rotate. And that way, when you're rolling the cable up or out, it's a lot easier and a lot less pressure on the reel and the system. And just to continue, I guess, with just what we think the industry possibly needs, is we looked at it and went, the boys are sitting there had here all day. Let's have a look at putting some shade out the back. So we've added this feature, check it out. We decided to get our own awning made.
Oh, that's custom, is it?
That is 100% custom for us, mate.
Wow.
Full electric, full freestanding, really easy for the team to use. Get a little bit of shade, get the equipment out of the sun and also out of the rain if there's a bit of drizzle. It protects everything.
That looks awesome, I love it. What's next?
Basic storage. That's all we need now, right? If they're marking with paint or if you need WD-40, silicone sprays, anything like that, not a problem. We've got a space here for your road signage and we've got long item holders, shovel holders, any long item storage that you want to use into the door space here. And then of course we've got our washdown. On board you've got 90 litres of water underneath in a tank. On a 12-volt pump, plug her in, turn your water pump on and wash down your equipment. So what do you reckon, mate?
Absolutely love it, mate.
Yep.
The boys are going to be so happy with this.
Yeah, I think it'll work. I think it's going to be a bit of a game changer for the boys.
But I wanted to work with you guys, saw your stuff online and thought it was absolutely amazing. So this has gone above and beyond what I actually thought you guys were going to be doing with it. There's so many little features in there that just have blown my mind with the fridge and the lighting. It's absolutely awesome, mate.
Excellent, I'm glad it's worked for you.
Thank you.
There you go, guys. I'm Adam from Working Class Van. Another successful build by the team at Working Class Van. Very happy with the outcome of this build and another happy customer. Thanks, guys.